Christmas is one of the happiest festivals of the year. We decorate the Christmas tree with bells and ribbons. We decorate the Christmas tree with bells and ribbons. People go to church and pray for peace. People go to church and pray for peace. Children enjoy gifts, chocolates, and holidays. Children enjoy gifts, chocolates, and holidays. Christmas spreads joy, love, and togetherness everywhere. Christmas spreads joy, love, and togetherness everywhere. Merry Christmas! Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.